Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to zoom into your GIF on the Momento application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should select the picture you would like to edit, so tap on it and then slide to the right side of the screen down below until you find the zoom button, so tap on it. After that, you should direct this square icon to the relevant part to which you would like to zoom. Here you can see how it looks like, and you can also make it bigger and smaller. Then leave your square on that relevant spot, and after that it will be adjusted. Here you can see how it looks like, so it will zoom in and out. So if you want to reset it, tap on the reset X button in the middle of the screen. However, if you are satisfied with the result and you want to save it, just simply click on the done button in the right side corner down below. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.